Jai Hind everyone. As you are getting the videos of mathematics in the series form, now I'm here to provide you the videos of physics in the same manner. I will try to go out all these things to cover all the important topics and previous year questions with you, and I hope you are going to join this journey. And after finishing the journey, I hope and I believe that you are going to score at least 90 to 100%. So without wasting any times, before we are going to discuss all the syllabus and pattern and the previous year question and the types of question that is asked in India, first we need to discuss about the physics. What is physics itself? This is the intro lecture for you. In the next video we will try to understand the pattern and all these things, but today we are going to just discuss about this topic. What is the physics itself? It is a broad topic to understand the physics itself, but I will try to summarize all these things in the just within the 2 or 3 minutes. So what it means, the physics. When you say physics, what it means? So basically, physics is the study of natural sciences or natural phenomena, and all the phenomena that we study by the laws and all these things that is come in the physics section. So uh, there is a various things that we need to study on. There is a all the categories of physics. You can categorize yourself that it can be the higher physics, it can be the lower physics, or it can be moderate one. So what is the physics that is that stand for the NDA? So basically, that physics that we need to study for the NDA, it is not the higher physics, not even lower. What we need to try to understand the physics, that is the moderate one, or moderate one you can say that the applied physics. Applied physics, what it means by applied physics? Just answer yourself first. What is the applied physics? Basically, the application based physics that we use in our everyday life. What it means, like we have Bernoulli's law and we have the Archimedes principle. All these things we use in daily life, and there are various others. So we will try to understand all these things in the applied physics. And basically, the UPSC that asks, that is the general science, and in general science, the section that is physics, it is all is the applied physics or applied sciences, and we need to study in the not on the higher level. We need to come down on the moderate one, and I hope you are going to be in this journey. And so we will try to cover all the pattern previous year questions in the next video. This is just intro based, and I hope you like it. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.